So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get paid by brands even if you have 1000 followers. So guys, let's get started. So my name is Yavar. I create a lot of videos about how to grow your Instagram, how to monetize it, so please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So as I told you, as the video caption says, how you can get paid by brands with 1000 followers or even less. So guys, it's very simple. There are few things which you need to remember. So the first one would be, make sure your Instagram page looks really professional. By this I mean is create a theme, create a mood. So basically there are a lot of Lightroom presets where you could download it, so make sure it has a certain color so it looks really professional. That's the first thing. The second thing is you need to have high engagement rate, which means your captions should be very enticing so people can comment on you, people like your page, and people do a lot of engagement. Because nowadays a lot of brand page, what they do is they have an analytical tool where they see your engagement rate, so it should be more than 5%. So this way they would definitely give you free stuff. So that's the second thing where you need to know that your engagement should be really high. The third thing is you need to be smart enough. So basically brands won't come to you because you have really less followers. So what you could do is follow other influencers, okay? Go over there, which products are they promoting, and then you can just message the brand and tell them that I'm in this niche and I would help you promote your product. For now I'll do it for free, next time I'm going to charge. So basically you have 1000 followers, they won't pay you for anything, but they would give you free stuff. So that's really good thing. And then that's one step. Okay, so next what you could do is, once you have a lot of following, then you can again approach them and ask them that this time I'm gonna take money as well as free stuff. So you could do that. So this is for people who have 1000 followers or just starting new on Instagram. The second way, which I really find this works really well, is what you could do is you could go to marketplace. Okay, so for, let's say, wherever you are, if you are in India, there would be Amazon, Flipkart. If you are in UAE or in Dubai, there would be Noon, Amazon. Again, depending on your region, there would be a lot of marketplaces. What you need to do is find newly launched brands, newly launched products. Okay, so there are a lot of skincare products which are newly launched, a lot of clothing brands which are recently launched. All you have to do is, again, go over there, find the product. Once you find the product, find their Instagram page and just message them. And also to add is, once you are messaging them, try to be really professional and tell them that you love their products and you are in this niche and you would like to promote it, and in future once you get a lot of followers, I would help you to promote it even more, and in fact I would promote it for free as well. So now this is just a stepping stone where you have 1000 followers or even a little more, where you're just getting free stuff, and in future you can get a lot. And guys, if you would like to learn more about how you can gain organic Instagram followers and even highly targeted Instagram followers, I've created a video about that. Go and check it out. Okay, so now this is how you can start getting a lot of brand deals even with less followers. These are the simple tips, guys. It's very easy. And guys, if you would like to learn more about how you can make money on Instagram with even less than this follower, let's say you're just starting out and you want to make some money, I've created a video about that as well, where you can just start making more than $1000. So it's very easy. You can go check that video out. Everything is free to check. And that's it. And if you like the video, guys, please consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Yavar Khan signing off.